Deep within the silence of the abyss, a legend lies sleeping.
Nature has claimed it for decades, but the soul of this machine remains intact. It's time to bring history back to the surface. The recovery operation is delicate. One wrong move could shatter the fragile, rusted frame of this automotive icon. Gravity fights back as we break the seal of the ocean floor. The journey home begins now. Rising from the darkness, the silhouette of luxury returns to the light. The anticipation is palpable.
She breaks the surface. Battered, bruised, but undeniably majestic. The ocean finally releases its prize.
Safe on deck. The damage is severe, but the potential for restoration is limitless.
Every layer of rust tells a story of survival. But this is where the decay ends and the rebirth begins. Welcome to the sanctuary. Here, science and art will converge to reverse the hands of time. First, we strip away the ocean's mask. We need to see exactly what metal remains beneath the grime.
Disassembly is a forensic process. Every bolt, every screw is cataloged. Nothing is thrown away.
The interior is gone, but the structure holds. We are stripping it down to its bare bones. The heart of the beast is removed. Seized by salt and time, it will require a miracle to run again. Removing the layers of time. Beneath the rust, the steel foundation is still strong.
Where the metal failed, we forge it anew, strengthening the spine of this classic for the century ahead.
A coat of protection ensures that this foundation will never surrender to the elements again. The engine requires surgical precision. We are freeing components that haven't moved since the day it sank. Modern precision meets vintage engineering. We resurface the head to microscopic tolerances.
Reassembly is a ritual. Every bearing, every seal must be perfect to handle the power.
The heart is whole again. It looks exactly as it did leaving the factory in 1934.
The bodywork is sculpture. Hours of hand sanding create a canvas worthy of the royal color to come.
The primer sets the stage. It seals the metal and prepares the surface for the main event.
We recreated the original pigment, a deep, oceanic blue that honors its history.
The color returns. Layer by layer, the ghost of the shipwreck fades away.
The clear coat locks it in. A shine deep enough to dive into, mirroring the ocean it survived.
The marriage. Body meets frame. The silhouette is finally complete once more.
Inside, we restore the elegance. Rare walnut veneers are brought back to a glass-like finish. Luxury is in the details. Hand-stitched leather replaces the rot, smelling of quality and tradition. The jewelry of the car. Fresh chrome plating brings back the blinding brilliance of the Art Deco era. Instruments of precision. We calibrate time and speed, ready to measure the miles ahead. The power plant returns home. It fits with a satisfying precision that only hand-built cars possess.
Connecting the nervous system. Fuel, air, and spark are ready to dance.
Shoes fit for a king. Classic white walls complete the stance, ready to roll.
The spirit of ecstasy takes her place. She guides the way, just as she did a century ago.
Eyes of the Phantom. We restore the illumination to cut through the darkest nights.
Smooth operation. We've banished the friction of salt and rust.
Comfort restored. The cabin is now a capsule of luxury, untouched by the ocean's wrath.
Control is returned to the driver. The wheel waits for the first command. lifeblood. The fluids flow through the veins of the machine, preparing it to wake up.
The spark of life. Energy flows through the circuits for the first time in decades.
Ignition on. The systems check out. The moment of truth has arrived.
Turning over. The sleeping giant stirs from its long slumber.
It lives. The roar of the Phantom echoes once again. A heartbeat restored.
Smooth, powerful, rhythmic. The sound of victory over the elements.
Closing the vault. The engineering is now concealed beneath the art. Perfection requires a final touch. We remove the last fingerprint.
The workshop has done its job. The world is waiting outside.
Into the light. The blue paint ignites under the sun, deeper than the ocean it came from. Face to face with history. Imposing, elegant, and utterly timeless.
Engaging the future. We are ready to drive.
Back beside the sea. No longer a prisoner, but a master of the coast.
The drive is effortless. It floats over the road, a true land yacht.
The world reflects off her curves. She is a moving mirror of the landscape.
Through the shadows and back into the light. Nothing can stop this machine now.
Golden hour. The perfect light for a perfect resurrection. Miles are just numbers. This car was built to last forever.
The journey ends, but the legacy continues. She has returned to her rightful place.
That sound, the solid thud of quality that you just don't find anymore.
From the bottom of the ocean to the height of luxury, we saved a legend. The blue Rolls Royce Phantom. Restored, reborn, ready for eternity.